Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified when I upload, which will be on Mondays. Today, I am going to be clearing out my wardrobe. Yes, that's right. If you might remember, I've mentioned this in a heap of my videos. I have several wardrobes. We've got one here on the steps for my loft bed. I finally found out the name for this type of bed recently. It's a loft bed, which is pretty cool. And then we've got this wardrobe here. And as part of my preparation for moving, I'm going to be clearing out all my clothes and some extra stuff I have in there. As you would know by now, I'm preparing to move to Burwood in Melbourne to go to university. And so when it comes time to pack, I will not have room for all my clothes. I mean, I might, but there may not be much room for other stuff as well. So I will need to downsize, and also there's clothes in my wardrobes that doesn't fit me anymore, and there's clothes in there that I don't want anymore. So I'm obviously not going to take them with me during the move. If you might remember, I've done a wardrobe decluttering video before, and that's just because my wardrobe was getting really backed up, and it's time to do that again. And you might see some repeat items, as after that video, there were some items that I originally wanted to get rid of that I actually wanted to keep. So if you saw that video and you see these items pop up again, that's why. But I think most of them will be clearing out now. So let's get started. And it's still so nice to have a clear floor, and a lot of my stuff just cleared off. My room just looks so much better now after I cleaned it out in my last video. But the first thing I'm going to do is put a load of washing on. These are my clothes from the past few days, and they need to go in the wash. I've just been too lazy to go and put them in the washing basket. I reckon, what do we got here? I reckon I will keep these. I think most of the clothes that are piling up in my washing basket I'll keep, because these fit me and I like these clothing items. But let's just go ahead and put them in the wash. I should have put this shirt in the wash. This is my not cold enough for a jacket, but not warm enough for just a t-shirt shirt that I've been wearing when I've been going out this week. Oh well, I only usually briefly wear it because I find that the weather warms up not long after I put it on anyway. But I will keep this actually, so I know what I'm keeping, because it's a nice shirt, so I'll put this in the keep pile, which we can just put here for now. I think we'll put keep pile, donate / giveaway pile, and if I really need to throw it out, a throwing out pile, but we'll try not to throw anything out. We'll just see if we can repurpose most of the items that I don't want. Okay, what I'll do is I'll pull everything out and I'll sort it. I'll have to take the wardrobe out because sometimes clothes like to get stuck under here because it overflows. Case in point, this one here. Actually, I can do the keep pile in here, maybe. Would that work? I don't know. These are all my t-shirts and long sleeve shirts. These are all my shorts and pants. Yes, I do wear long pants now when it's cold. I'm over my wear shorts all year round kind of thing. Like if it's super cold, I will wear pants. But if it's even remotely hot, you can expect me to wear shorts. And then we've got sort of a miscellaneous section. We've got some souvenir clothing, pyjamas, and dressing gown stuff. And all that. And then what I'm currently using for pyjamas right here. Then in here is like a bunch of my jackets and hoodies and even some of my old school uniform. But we'll just take it all out. No! Does this go back on or what? Okay, it does. Well, that's one way of getting everything. As you can see, we have quite a bit of stuff to get through, which is weird because I honestly thought I'd downsize quite a bit after my last wardrobe decluttering video, but I've still got quite a lot of clothing that I need to go through. This is also including hats and stuff, and some shoes even, so we have a bit to get through. I hope that I'm in the frame, but let's get started. I don't know where to start. Let's start with hats first. I like a bunch of costume hats and accessories, and yeah, I'm obviously not going to keep all of them because I don't need 50 million hats. Now it's a matter of sorting out which ones I do want, because there's some I do not wear anymore, so they can be repurposed if needed. Gonna listen to some music so I'm less distracted. that's at least like in my room right now. And I've decided to keep these ones, and these ones I either don't want right now. These ones can either be repurposed, and these ones I don't think I need, but I may change my mind later. But this is what I've got for now. Some of these I may find an attachment to, but I'm not going to keep all of these, that's for sure. So just put these aside here for now. I think I had another beanie I want to keep as well. I don't know where I'm putting that. It's somewhere in my wardrobe. It'll turn up, but these slippers, obviously not. They're too small for me. They can be given away or something. This is when I was obsessed with Frozen. These scarves, not feeling them. Oh, there's the beanie I was talking about. Yes, I'm keeping this. And I do have another one somewhere as well, and I'm keeping that as well. Arm warmers, yes, I'll keep. Gloves, I'll keep. These gloves, these are like sports gloves. I had them for a sailing trip I was on, but it turns out these weren't the appropriate type, and I've never worn them since, so don't think so. There's a couple of belts and stuff that I don't think I need. I might keep this one, but not these. And then these hiking shoes I'll keep in case I go hiking, and these are like shoes I wear at formal events. These ones, so I've got to keep those. They've just stayed in the box ever since because I want to treat them gently. This is my formal suit, and this one's undecided. I'll keep it for now. The suits are expensive and I'll be living on a budget when I move, so it can stay put for now. I'm going to put the keeping stuff over here for the moment. Obviously got to keep my hoodie. I can't go through winter without my hoodie. Next, what do I do next? Maybe like jackets and hoodies? Because there's definitely some I've grown out of and are too small for. So let's see what I've got. I've also got Leavers hoodies from old school, which I'll keep for souvenirs. They don't fit me anymore, but they're a nice souvenir and reminder, full of memories. Next we'll do like nice shirts and stuff. See, that's way too small. What size is this even? A kid 7. Yeah, this might be a tad too small for me. Next we'll move on to like pyjamas and stuff. This dressing gown is too small for me, so won't be keeping that. But this one, this big one, hell yeah, I'll be keeping that. It's nice winter cold nights. These Christmas ones, of course, but these Doctor Who ones might be too small for me, so here they go. And then I've got these bathers, which will be too small for me, but now I don't have any bathers, but I can always just get some over there, so that's fine. And I don't go swimming that often anyway, so it'll be okay for now. Next, we'll do... what should we do? Pants. We'll do pants. And now, shirts and t-shirts. And finally, socks. Okay, so this is what I don't want anymore. We can donate a lot of this. Some of it's like all wrecked and ripped, so that might need to be thrown out or maybe upcycled even. I don't know. And then this is what I want to keep. It's still quite a lot, and I did take some stuff out of this pile and move it here because it's stuff I'm not really vibing with, but I might need more of, like t-shirts and stuff, because then I realised I don't actually have that many t-shirts, so I moved a few back because some I put into that pile that are wearable, but I just wasn't really feeling anymore. But I can make do with them for now, at least until I go clothes shopping when I get there. And plus I need stuff to wear while I'm still here. So can make do with this for now, and I can always go ahead and do a mini declutter of this if I need to. But I've still made good progress, I think. So go ahead and put this all back up in my wardrobe and see what we've got left, and we'll find a way to organise and repurpose all of this. We may not even need that many hangers, who knows? So let's see what we've got. And we are done. Here is my temporary, new and improved wardrobes. This drawer is now the shirt section. This drawer is still the pants section, but it's been cleared out a bit. And this drawer is non-existent now. It's got some of my old stuff in it. And then over here, I've hung up the stuff I want to keep. You can't really see much because some of it's like black hoodies and stuff. And then I've put my underwear basket, which is empty right now because they're all in the wash. And I'll go through that, but you don't really need to see me doing an underwear declutter. And then socks in the sock basket up there, and the hats that I want to keep up the back, and then my hiking shoes just on the ground there for now. There's nowhere on a shoe rack for them, so they just stay in my wardrobe anyway. And then we don't have anything for this part. I cleared out so much that I don't really need it. And we'll go through the rest of this wardrobe in another decluttering video and on another day. I'm not going to do it today. As well as what's up here. There's actually not much up here though, so hopefully this part won't take too long when I do decide to go through it. And now I have a bunch of spare hangers. Look at that. So we've definitely downsized. Again, I may need to go through my hoodies and stuff in particular. I don't know if there'll be room for all of those, but we'll see what happens when I start to pack. And I reckon my washing will be finished by now. So let's go take it out and hang it up. Okay, so that is washing done. I think I'm going to keep most of what I have here. There's a couple items I'm not sure about. Actually, I do think I need to get some new underwear. Some of this underwear is getting a bit too small for me, so I'll have to go underwear shopping at some point. And then actually, I may need to declutter my socks because my socks container's pretty full. And I mean, I think there's definitely a couple socks on here I would probably be okay parting ways with. But in terms of like shirts and shorts, I'm going to probably keep all what I hung up here. And in terms of what I'm wearing right now, I'm undecided with this shirt. It fits me, but I don't really like it that much. It was the shirt I wore for when I was volunteering for that show at the Botanical Gardens, if you might remember that Vlogmas video. Again, the plan is, like, if I don't have a whole bunch of clothes, which I've got plenty, but if I need to buy new stuff, I can do it when I move over to Melbourne, rather than do it here in Tasmania and try to pack it, because then I have more room to pack other stuff. But that's what we're thinking at the moment. And in terms of stuff I don't like this shirt, it might be better just to keep it for now because of my job. I get dirty when I'm at work, so I'm okay with getting clothing I don't like dirty and stuff when I'm at work. But once I've left that job and I move, maybe I'll get rid of some of them, I don't know, or just keep them for safety. If I need to do an activity that may potentially affect what I'm wearing, then just have a few shirts I don't like and just have them ready to go if any sort of situation like that occurs. But basically that's going to be it for this wardrobe decluttering and downsizing as I prepare to move to Melbourne. All very exciting. Everything's being decluttered slowly, one by one, and before I'll know it, I will have downsized significantly. I've still got to go through a bunch of my old stuff and just random bits and bobs here and there, and then leave here and move over there. So I'm very much looking forward to it. Let me know in the comments what types of moving videos you would like to see here, and what else you'd like to see from me once I've moved to Melbourne and settled there. Let me know down below. But thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a like if you enjoyed, and subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any new videos. So, till next time, in my next video, I shall see you then. Goodbye.